right now we're doing, I guess, damage control. And it's hard because it's like I don't think we've ever faced something like this, or haven't faced, and it's, yeah, we've never faced something like this, and we haven't even faced even such a major hurricane, I think, in a while. Yes, Beryl was really bad, but comparing Beryl to this is just way, way worse. So it's like even our ability, it's just not even like many countries face something like this. So it's not something
Exactly.
like we kind of have a plan, we have some experience. We're like, I remember this happened 3 years ago. Okay, we need to do this, then do this, then do this. It's kind of like you just like I imagine if like I was the prime minister, like if I was Andrew Holness or whatever, or if I was one of those ministers, I don't even know what I'd be doing. Like I'd be like, okay, sit down, and I'd say, okay, let's do this, and then something else just happened, and I'm just like, wait, what? And it's like you just like it's just gonna be so hard. Like things are just happening. It's so dynamic. Like people, I think it's always easy to kind of look and say, oh, why didn't they think of this? Like, you see, they're doing
Yeah.
this. Why didn't they
It's
think of
so
this? But like, you don't really realize what it is like when you're in the position. Not to say that they couldn't do better in some regards. Like, I'm not saying, oh, don't like say they could do this better, they could do this better. But you kind of have to say, hey, this is not this is not an easy job. This is not something that I think a lot of us could do. I would hate to be like the prime minister, or like a MP or something right now, finance minister, to deal with this. This is just so much stress. Or even a doctor in the, imagine if you were on call or at the hospital. Think of how many hours. Like I'm hearing some crazy shifts, like I'm seeing stuff people are asking, oh, they want people to work 24, 48 hour shifts.
yeah.
And then, even when they say 48 hours, it's not really going to be 48 hours. It's not like as soon as the 48 hours done, oh, you just walk
Hmm.
off. No, like you're just going, 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 and not eating. It's just, yeah, it's really, really tough.
Mm.